Hi there beautiful people, welcome back to another video and welcome to my channel if you're new. Hi, my name is Femke and for today I will be swatching the 8 new Essence Gel Nail Color nail polishes. They just recently came out with for their fall winter 2025 collection update. So yeah, there are 8 new shades which I love because the previous update was only like 4 colors or something if I remember correctly. So yeah, I'm really happy to see some beautiful new shades by Essence. These are really inexpensive. I think they were like a little below €2 a bottle. They are vegan, they are cruelty free, and they are safe to use. So yeah, let's just quit the rambling and get on with the swatches because I'm really excited to show these to you. So let's start off with the first one. This one is called 75 Wave Breaker. I really love like royal blue tones like these. The only downside is that blues like these can be really sheer, especially the first like 1 to 2 coats. So yeah, let's just swatch this one right here, and I have to say I wasn't disappointed with the coverage of that first layer already. I really expected it to be way worse. Like I expected this color to be one I had to use on top of a white base, but yeah, it was actually already quite opaque on its own within that first coat. So I was really excited to actually apply the second one because I knew it would be full coverage with that second coat. And that is the thing, like Essence surprises me so much, even though I've been an Essence fan, like nail polish makeup wise, for like 15 to almost like 20 years. Yeah, I really love this color. It is so beautiful, and I know that a lot of you out there actually love blue tones like that one as well. So yeah, it's a big plus. It's actually opaque within 2 coats. The second one is called Matcha Time, and if you have been hanging out with me on my YouTube channel for a longer period of time, you know that green is the least favorite color, or at least my least favorite color to wear on my nails. But this one has something special. It is a little bit like chartreuse like, if you know what I mean. It's not like just your regular grass green or something. This one is quite fresh. It definitely gives like a matcha kind of look to it, even though I really hate like the taste of matcha. I don't eat anything matcha related. I do actually like this color as far as I can like it because it's still a green, you know. But yeah, opaque wise it was pretty decent within that first coat already, but the second one just makes it completely opaque. Once again, very nice creamy formula. It's really easy to apply as well. You don't really have to like overwork this polish or anything like that. You can just slap it on and you're good to go. And another thing with Essence polishes is that they don't take a long time to dry, at least for me personally. It might be like the environment that I'm in. It's not always super hot here or humid or anything like that. So nail polishes tend to dry quite easily. But if it is like 30 to 35 degrees Celsius here in summer, they do take a little longer, but not too bad. So yeah, I was actually really happy with that one. Next up is another green, and yeah, I don't know, they really were out for me or something with this update collection with 2 greens. I feel like they were trying to like see how far they could go for me to actually like a green. And this Forest Fancy, I don't hate it, but I have a lot of similar colors in my collection already, which might be a little better as well, because I did notice a little bit of a streak in this one while applying it, even though it wasn't bad at all. For the price as well, you know, they are vegan, they are cruelty free, they are below €2 a bottle. So if you don't have a color like that already, just pick it up because it is very affordable, and it definitely isn't a bad polish. But nah, I don't know, I wasn't super like feeling it for that one. Next up is called Spread the Sparkle, and this is one of those polishes I feel like I have 10 of in my collection already. Whether it is by Essence Cosmetics or Catrice Cosmetics, I feel like I have a ton of these. Like, it's just a nice rosy, pinkish, kind of shimmery color, very metallic. Within this first coat, I really wasn't disappointed either with how opaque it was, but then again, I already have this polish in my collection a couple of times. Once again, if you don't have this one yet, just pick it up because it is quite affordable. But yeah, it's just not really exciting or new or anything like that to me. Next up is actually one of my favorites from these 8 new shades. This one is called Grape Escape. It is so shimmery, so beautiful. Even though it isn't like a super opaque polish, you definitely have to layer this one up to make it more opaque. I just love the shimmer in this one. It is such a nice grapey kind of purple tone, and the shimmer is just beautiful, like bluish, greenish. Oh, I love it so much. I think that if you would apply this on top of like a deeper purple base or maybe even a black, it's really going to pop, even though I don't know if the purple tone will really like be visible if you apply it on top of a black, but I don't know, I just think it's a really beautiful color. And within 2 coats it wasn't too bad, like opaque wise. I could still see my natural smile line peeking through, but the shimmer definitely makes up for that. So I think a 3rd coat would really make this one opaque. The one thing that I did notice is that the purple looks a lot different on the nail than it does in the bottle, but then again, it's a very beautiful polish. Then next up, definitely one of my favorites as well, but also one I already have a ton of in my nail polish collection. This one is called Mauve Over Darling. I don't really feel like it is a mauvey kind of tone. I just feel like it is a milkshake, like a strawberry milkshake kind of pink. I think it's really pretty. Once again, if you don't have a collection color or a color in your collection like this already, just pick it up. I'm really sorry, I'm a little bit rambly and I feel like I have to yawn like every second, like here I go again. But I'm just so tired. Like my oldest boy, Aeon, is in the middle of a sleep regression and it is the worst one ever so far. He just sleeps for like an hour peacefully, then wakes up crying and keeps on waking up crying for the entire night, like the rest of the night, for like 9 hours straight or something. And I'm just not really getting a break, like sleep-wise. So I'm sorry if I sound tired or rambly, or that I actually have to quit recording this voiceover like 100 times because I have to yawn so often. I'm really sorry about that, but you know, hashtag mom life. I'm just really tired. But yeah, back to the video, because 81 Tropic Like It's Hot, as a Dutch girl, I love this one. It is so hot orange. It's like steaming orange. I love this one so much. It's just, oh, I love this color. You can wear it in summer, you can wear it in spring, you can wear it in fall because it's a perfect pumpkin kind of color as well. You can wear it in winter. This one is just an orange you can always wear. And I'm not just saying that because I am Dutch and orange is like our national color. I just really love it. Also, it was quite opaque within that first coat already, but to make it completely opaque and just flawless, apply a 2nd coat. As you can see right here, it is just perfect. It is such a rich color. I do want to notice or let you guys know to really apply a good base coat if you're going to wear this one for a longer period of time, because it will definitely stain the crap out of your nails. For me, it's not really an issue because I have like a gel polish base and top coat as an overlay on my natural nails, so the color doesn't really penetrate through those layers. But if you aren't going to use this on top of your natural nails like directly, definitely use a good base coat, because otherwise your nails will be stained AF. And then number 82 is the last color from their new collection, like fall winter 2025 collection update. It is beautiful yellow color. Once again, yellows are a little bit tricky. They can be very opaque, they can be very sheer, they can be very like thin or liquidy, just not as rich usually. But I have to say that I wasn't disappointed with the first coat, and once again that second coat, it just hits the nail on its head. It is just insane how good these essence polishes are, especially like the blue. I expected to be sheer, it wasn't sheer. This yellow I expected to be sheer, it wasn't sheer. I'm just really excited. This collection update, or at least essence polishes in general, tend to really make my heart race a little bit, because I'm always excited to see how good their colors are, especially knowing that these are below €2 a bottle. They're vegan, they're cruelty free. I love this brand so much. So yeah, that was already my entire swatch and review video of the new Essence Gel Nail Color nail polishes for fall winter 2025. Yes, these are regular nail polishes, they are not gel polishes, even though the name of these polishes says gel nail color. If like the bottles are see-through, it is regular polish, otherwise the polish would be cured in the bottle already before using it. So yeah, I really love them. They are affordable, and yeah, the colors are just really speaking to me. Let me know what you think about these and which one is your favorite. But thank you guys so much for watching. I love you so much, and I hope to see you next time.